There's a lot of caring, a lot of warmth here. As soon as I walk in the door, the receptionist knows my name and knows that I'm here, and they're very attentive, and they're just warm people, very kind. I was under very difficult circumstances at the time, so I really didn't get a chance to think through it. I don't go into something like this very lightly. I put a lot of thought and a lot of research into it. I was in a situation where I couldn't do that, and my friend who recommended Silva & Silva is a close friend, so I trusted him, and I took his advice, where he said, we'll try it, and if it doesn't work out, you can always back out, so you don't have to sign a contract right away. So it made me feel comfortable to go ahead and move forward at the moment. Once I got to know George, and once I got to know the office staff and everybody here, and Liz and everybody, Carlos, they all just made me feel very comfortable and very much at ease, and to know that our case was in good hands. Their personal attention, it's their biggest benefit. They're available 24/7. When I call them, they call me right back, and they give me all the time that I need to address my concerns. So that really is my biggest advantage, is that they're always available to me. I hope not to need their services again in the future, but if I do, yes, I will definitely work with Silva & Silva. I have actually referred one friend already over. Unfortunately, these are not something that you really want to have to refer friends to, because these are difficult cases, and so I hope not to be in that situation. But if I have friends that need them for their services, I definitely will recommend Silva & Silva. Anyone can benefit from working with Silva & Silva because of their attention, and because of their care, their kindness, and the way that they treat people so attentive. Their gentle way of being, of handling difficult situations. I think I always felt like I was being cared for, and not just legally, but as a person, which meant a lot more to me. I always knew that I was in good legal hands, but to know that I was in good care by somebody who cared about my situation, who I am as a person, and about my family, meant a lot more to me.